Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the fourth type of triangle construction. In the fourth type, the heading is to construct a right angled triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. So right angle triangle means what? It looks like this. See, this is a right angle triangle. Suppose this one. So what will be given to us? One side. So this one side we will take as base. Then right angle triangle means this angle will be 90 degree always, and hypotenuse will be given to you. Hypotenuse means what? The side which is opposite of the right angle. In a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite of the 90 degree angle is called the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, and it is the longest side of the triangle. Means in that triangle, hypotenuse will always be the longest side. So we will start the topic with one example. Draw triangle LMN such that measure angle LMN equal to 90 degree. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and length of MN is 3 centimeter. Means what? MN we will take as base 3 centimeter. Angle M is 90 degrees. See here, LMN. So I told you before also that the letter which is in the middle, that is the vertex of that angle. So from M we have to draw an angle of 90 degree, and hypotenuse will be 5 centimeter. So this point will be L, and name of hypotenuse here it is not given, but we can use our common sense that M angle is 90 degree, so LN will be hypotenuse. So first we will draw the base. How much is the base? 3 centimeter. So mark the point at 3 and mark the point at 0. So this is our base of 3 centimeter. Immediately we will give it the name MN 3 centimeter. Now from the point M we have to draw a 90 degree angle. So keep the protractor at point M, and from M we will mark a 90 degree dot. Now we will join the point M and this dot by drawing a ray. What we will draw? For angle we will draw a ray. Okay. Now from point N till point L means on this ray there is a distance of 5 centimeter. From point N to this ray there is a distance of 5 centimeter. So first we will take a distance of 5 centimeter in our compass. This is 0, this is 5. So we will take 5 centimeter in our compass like this. See here, it is 5 centimeter. We will keep on the point N. From N we have to take. So we will keep it on point N, and on this ray we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Then here we will give a dot, and this will be our point L. So we will join LN. Understood? From where we have to take 5 centimeter arc? From point N, because hypotenuse is given as 5 centimeter. So our triangle is ready. Now we will take one more example from practice set 5. First example. In triangle MAN, angle MAN is 90 degree. Means at the vertex A we have to draw 90 degree angle. So when we will draw angle at A, what will be the hypotenuse? MN. See, MN. It is not given that it is a hypotenuse, but we have to guess it by looking at the angle. And one more thing I told you, hypotenuse is the longest side. So from this to MN is bigger, means MN must be the hypotenuse. So what will be the base? AN. So first we will draw the base AN 8 centimeter. From A we have to draw an 90-degree angle, and this will be our point M. So this is our rough figure, and this will be 10 centimeter. So this is our rough figure. So we will start. First draw a base of how much? 8 centimeter. So this is 8 and this is 0. Give 2 dots first and then join the 2 dots. Give it a name A and N. AN is 8 centimeter. Now from point A we have to draw 90-degree angle. So keep the protractor at point A and mark the 90-degree angle. Join this point with point A and draw a ray. We will draw a ray. Now from point N, on this ray we have to mark an arc of 10 centimeter. So first we will draw 2 dots. This is 0, this is 10, 0 and 10. Then we will take 10 centimeter distance in our compass. It's actually very big. See, 10 centimeter is this big. Now slowly we will keep this on point N. From point N we will mark an arc on this ray. So give here a dot at the point of intersection. So this will be our point M. Now join M and N. So this is our required triangle. Here give 90-degree symbol compulsory, and here we will write 10 centimeter. Understood? First draw base, then draw a ray of 90-degree, and from this point you will mark an arc. Don't keep here and draw the arc, it will be wrong. यहाँ रख के arc मत draw करना. हमें N से लेकर M तक का distance 10 centimeter चाहिए. Now homework. So this is your practice set 5. First one we have completed. Second one, third one and fourth one is your homework. 2, 3 and 4. In second one, ST is 4 centimeter and SU is 5 centimeter. So hypotenuse is SU. So from where you will draw the right angle? From point T. Means angle T will be your 90-degree. Just now I told you that the vertex of 90-degree will be the center letter and remaining 2 letters will be of the hypotenuse. So here SU is the hypotenuse. It is given to you. So बचा कौन सा letter? T. तो T पे आपको बनाना है 90-degree का angle. So first draw ST 4 centimeter. Then at point T draw 90-degree angle. And from point S you have to draw a 5 centimeter arc. Third one, very easy. Base is given BC 5 centimeter. B angle is 90-degree. And AC is given hypotenuse 7.5. So it will be just like this practice example. And last one also easy. PQ will be your base. Q angle will be 90-degree. From Q you have to draw 90-degree angle. And PR will be hypotenuse. So from point P you have to mark a distance of 11.7 centimeter. Now what they have given, students should take examples of their own and practice construction of triangle. So these 4 topics are completed of construction of triangle. So I will give you some practice examples in the next lecture. So understood today's homework? Complete the practice set 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your notebook and send me the pictures. Okay. Thank you.